Hello everyone! Today, I want to talk about my last summer holiday. It was really memorable. Last summer, my family and I traveled to Đà Lạt city. Đà Lạt is a beautiful city in the mountains of Vietnam. It was a bit cool and misty there, which was different from Phan Rang Tháp Cham. We stayed there for 5 days. First, we visited many famous places, like the Đà Lạt Flower Garden and the Crazy House. We took a lot of beautiful photos. Then, we rode bicycles around Xuân Hương Lake, which was very relaxing.
We also tried many delicious local foods, like Bánh Tráng Nướng and fresh strawberries.
I loved my trip to Đà Lạt because the scenery was amazing and the weather was so comfortable. I felt very happy, refreshed, and excited during the whole holiday. It was a great time to relax and make new memories with my family. I hope to visit Đà Lạt again someday. The scenery here is just breathtaking, isn't it? I feel so energized and happy here. These memories are priceless. I really hope we can come back here soon. What an unforgettable summer. Best. Absolutely the best. Hello. My last summer holiday was very special. My family and I went to a beautiful beach in Da Nang. Then, we built big sandcastles on the beach.
Want to join me, Emily?
Maybe late. You're good.
This seafood is so delicious. Ugh.
Best meal ever. I loved our trip to Da Nang. It was so much fun and relaxing. Hello. My last summer holiday was very special. My family and I went to a beautiful beach in Da Nang. We stayed there for 4 days, and I felt so happy and free. It was a great time to enjoy the sun and the sea with my family. I loved my trip to Da Nang. It was truly fun, relaxing, and memorable. Hi everyone! My last summer holiday was at my grandparents' house in the countryside. It was very peaceful. I stayed there for 1 week with my younger brother. First, we helped our grandma water the plants in her garden. Then, we rode bicycles around the village every afternoon. I also read many comic books and played board games with my brother. This holiday felt so relaxing and comfortable, just what I needed. I felt so calm and happy here, truly.
It was a great time to spend with my family and learn all about nature.
I really hope we can come back here again soon. It was such a memorable summer holiday. Thanks for watching!